Ever wonder why Americans go crazy for pickup trucks? It's not just about driving. A truck hauls trailers, carries heavy gear, and tackles off-road trails that cars can't touch. And yet, it still serves as a daily vehicle. That's why Ford F-150s dominate U.S. roads. They're not just machines, they're tools for work and adventure. Think your car can do all that? Trucks do it every day. Share if you agree and stay tuned for the full Ford series.